Okay, go ahead and hit it, dude. That is a hard boat to track. It sounds like it's gas powered. Shebang bang.
There you go.
Okay.
Straight rooster. What's her name? Well, I know we call her half rooster. I'll tell you that.
Bud. We got Mrs. Budweiser. This is Mrs. Bud.
That is so cruising. It's nothing like you get a new toy and you're just so impressed that you got to go get another one now.
Yeah, it's not like the letdown on the Revo.
That was.
See Revos, people, but what a letdown.
I would trade my E-Revo for one of these boats in a heartbeat. Nah, I gotta have an E-Revo in my collections too, but we really never gave her a chance on the dirt. She broke on the snow, so. This boat is impressive. I am so shocked and so pleased at the same time.
I'm gonna take it out of ways. Okay, I'm gonna tag it.
Let's make sure the batteries are dead. Back her up. I don't want to have to.
Okay, you take it. We good on the video?